How to fix Steam download speed drops to zero fix. Now, before we execute the very basic troubleshooting steps, the very main thing that you want to have to check out first is make sure that your connection is at least has a maximum amount of signal bars. Because if you're currently on the middle of the download on a type of game on Steam and then your internet connection is intermittent, it will actually crush or drop down into zero. Now, once you figure out and you run some speed test from your internet provider and found out that this is not something to do with your network error, then what you want to do is to open up your Steam client and go into the Steam icon at the top left, and then make sure that you're logged in again. Go to settings, and from here, go down to downloads. So here are your download settings. Now, limit download speed, make sure that this is on thick or disabled. If you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see display download rates in bits per second. You might want to have it on, and as well as throttle downloads while streaming. And then simply clear download cache. Click this and hit on confirm. Make sure that you clear download cache first before you start re-downloading the game that you would like to download. So those are the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to fix Steam download speed drops to zero fix.